Okay, so I got to redo the manifolds on here. It's a 1982 F-150. This is a 4.9 liter inline 6 single barrel Carter carburetor, and this is kind of more for my documentation than even for anything else, but I'll probably upload it and show anybody that's interested. So you'll have a hose right here, and that's this hose that goes right there. Then you'll have this hose hooked onto there. That's your brake booster hose. And then you got this line, and that runs up there. That's gonna go right there. This thing, mine just had a cap on it. There wasn't a hose going to it. Cap, kind of like this, was right there. So that's what's up. And then what you're left with is that little thing right there, and this one right there. And this, which I have my lines over there, but this hooks to this line that I have right here, and it goes right there. And then there's another line right there that I have pulled up here, but that goes right there on that one. And then you got this thing here, that just comes right out of there. Got this right here. It's never been a hose on that as long as I've had this truck. I don't know what the fuck this whole module really even is right here. It's fucking smog pump or something, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not, or not pump, but filter. And yeah, there's some kind of vacuum line that used to go there, but it's not there anymore. We got another line that comes out of there, but when I took mine off, it just completely come off the truck, like it was only hooked up right there and was never hooked up anyplace else. So I still got to figure that out. So that's just a quick rundown of all your lines and hoses. Still got to get the throttle cable off. Haven't really figured that one out yet. So yeah, just figured I'd let you guys know. Haven't really seen any other videos where somebody goes through and explains the hoses quite like that. So I figured I would do it. So hope it helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more.